So we are replacing the sump boot, this part. In order to get to this part, like for better access to this part, we have to remove the blower. So in order to remove the blower, we have to get this bar out, and then we will take the blower out. So we'll start with this part, which is the rebar. So now we will take the dryer motor out. All screws out. Now just take this thing and get out of the way so that we have proper access to the dryer motor. So now just take this part out first, rotate it a little bit, and dryer motor out. So now disconnect the connector and your blower is out. So now you have better access to the sump boot. So we are taking so your sump boot is off, and now take it out. Now you have access to the spring clamps on the check valves. You can take the clamp out and remove the spring clamps on both check valves. So we'll reuse the spring clamps from the old boot. So kit will include clamp, the barb insert, the new barb insert, which will prevent the boot to slip out, and the new boot. Now move the drain pump a little bit so that you tuck this drain tube from the condenser, beside the drain pump. So after you remove or replace the boot, you insert the barb insert for a spout. If you see closely, the smaller tab, like this tab, is going in between those ribs in the spout. So push the insert all the way in. Now you hear the click. So this is how it goes, and it sits nicely flat with the spout. Now you can see how the smaller tab sits in between those ribs here. I hope it's clear now. And make sure the boot is properly assembled to the spout. Even on the back, see, is properly assembled and clamp is properly placed on the boot. So this is very important, otherwise it will leak. Let's reassemble back the dryer motor. So first, don't forget to connect the connector, and now you go in the space for the dryer motor and you push it in. Don't expect very easy assembly, because this you might have to jiggle a little bit to have the dryer motor in place. So basically this is it. Once you feel this is loose, so this is right assembly. Now you put back this metal bracket, and yeah, after you tighten the screws on the dryer motor, let's put the rebar for to attach the drain pump. So you basically put this side first, press on the vibration mounts on the drain pump, push it in, and voila, you have. Now you tighten the screws. Just make sure you put this dryer boot on the dryer duct assembly properly, otherwise the air will leak. So make sure you attach it properly and follow proper instructions in the service manual to put this boot on. And make sure on the back side of the duct is properly attached, and make sure all the connections are proper. If you open up the machine, tighten all the connections